Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered what if all the glaciers melt overnight? Then it's time for Good to Know. Or what if all the glaciers ice melt on the earth overnight? So we only have 3% of fresh water in the world. So for the overall population, we drink only 3% of fresh water, fresh groundwater, and 70% of the water is frozen as glaciers and melted ice. Over 90% of fresh water ice on Earth sitting top of Greenland and Antarctica, and each year a little more of it melts into the ocean. Normally, it would take hundreds to thousands years to melt the whole ice away. But what if it caused the massive global melt overnight? As we slept, the sea level would rise by a whopping of 66 meters. The coastal cities like New York, Shanghai, London would drown into the mass flood, forcing up to 40% of the world's population to lose their life and house. When the seawater gets raised, it affects the groundwater. So when it affects the fresh groundwaters, the aquatic lives are affected, and moreover, it affects drinking water, irrigation system, and the power plants. Everything is completely destroyed. On top of that, the ice on the Greenland and Antarctica is made of fresh waters. So when it all melts, it's about 69% of the world's fresh water supply is going straight into the oceans. So this will wreck current and the weather patterns. If the glaciers gets melted to ocean, lots of hidden viruses and germs and toxic chemicals which has been hidden over there for millions of years will be out of the glaciers. Toxic chemicals such as dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane or DDT. The scientists discovered that the glaciers like this can store chemicals for decades or years, more than thousands of years. But they thaw those glaciers, release these chemicals into rivers, lakes, groundwater reserves, poisoning as they go. Scientists estimate that we don't take enough actions. The global temperatures is getting increased every year by 1 degree Celsius. The effects of climate change we already see today will be irreversible forever. So yes, this is the right time to wake. So save your nature, plant more trees, and protect the nature from global warming and melting of ice. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you like the video, and please do share this knowledge to everyone whomever you know, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.